number 6, we step into Yellowstone National Park, America's first and most iconic national park. From geysers shooting boiling water into the air to rainbow-colored hot springs, Yellowstone is nature at its wildest. Number 5, Miami, Florida, where modern city life meets tropical beauty. From the turquoise waters of South Beach to the colorful Art Deco streets, Miami is a destination that never sleeps. At number 4, Yosemite National Park. Known for its giant granite cliffs, breathtaking waterfalls, and endless trails, Yosemite Sam as a masterpiece of natural beauty.